Alright y'all, so we're using the light tone on the shirt, our lightest tone, extra light, with the 7 round liner, basically creating the dot work, trying to get some smooth shades though. We currently running at what, 7.4 volts. Keep brushing up, trying to smooth it out. Cause the texture of a shirt, it's cotton, so we want it to be soft. You don't want to create nothing hard because it is a shirt. We're still on our lightest tone, y'all. See the small brush strokes. You see it's barely right there, but that's how we build our tones up. Now I'm gonna come the other way. On the cross hatch, build that up. We don't want no super hard edges. Like I said, it's a shirt. You see it's starting to build up. You ain't gotta go straight in and get your tone to pop up immediately, especially if it's something soft. Now something hard, you can go straight in with your darker tone and build on top of that. But it ain't much building up you have to do when you go straight into the darker tone. The light tones, you definitely have to build them up. You definitely don't go in immediately. Alright y'all, so now we about to switch over to our 1 round liner. Switching over to the 1 round liner to go over the Supreme inside the bag. It's probably tough for y'all to see it on there, especially on TikTok. But now this one I'm going in with my medium tone. We don't need to go in with a light because this is black right here. Because it went straight in with the black. And that's just an M and an E. We just structure the hand out with our light tone. You see it right there. Make sure we got that well structured because how small it is. Also the watch, got that structured out, medium tone. That hand gonna pop out now. Also the edge of this thumb against the side of the bag. And that's my bad. That was a one. I'm gonna say that was a 3 round liner. We structured the hand out and did the bottom part of the bag. But now I'm going into the dark tone with the 1 round. Right into this strap. Black right there. And this is the buckle. And they got an E right there in the middle of that buckle. So we just doing this way, basically good measures. That's how small it is. I highly doubt you'll be able to really read it. But we know it's just not an all black. You're not taking no shortcuts. This buckle gonna be black right there. You see where our word is at, the E. Just to give it that print. Give it look like a print on it. Now I say you ain't gotta try to get it super detailed, just go simple and silent. Almost like as if you were doing like a negative shape. Alright y'all, we back to the 3 round liner. Black. Right on this top part of the bag where the zipper would be. Knock that black in there. You want the bag stand out. Put the shirt all white. Just put a strip of black right across that top. You definitely ain't gonna have no shade on that part of the white. Well, we got shade in here because the hand is on top of the bag. You're gonna leave that to stand out. Alright, now we about to start structuring our hand. Now just a little shade in there, starting with our extra light tone. Especially on the top. Right around that thumb of the index finger. And there's some slight shade right there. And we already got the structure of our hand, so we don't want to make it too dark to where we lose it. Just want to add some shade that'll complement it because it's so small, can't do too much to it. I'm about to tag this arm sleeve right here with our light tone. And this is the 7 round liner. 7 round liner. And you'll have to use the medium tone kind of to structure out the outside of the shirt so we ain't put no hard lines around it. It's gonna go a little bit darker than our lightest tone. Alright y'all, we about to hit the shadow of our hand on the shirt. I'm gonna dip into the medium, a little dab into the light tone. See that base of that thumb that's right there. So there's some structuring in that thing. Like I said, we ain't going all full color first time around. We're just gonna build it up and see exactly how we want it though. And don't forget it's a shadow too, so you want that soft. You don't want no hard shadow on the shirt. Remember this white shirt. Alright, y'all, we going in again with the medium tone. Structure these fingers out. Really small, that's why we're using a 1 round liner. Like I'm shading with the 3 round liner, I'm basically gonna be filling out the face with the 3 round liner and mapping out the nose, eyes, and stuff like that with the 1 round liner.
Thanks for joining the live. Your follow will be appreciated.
Alright, we about to go in with our 7 round liner, going to 7 round liner with the black in the hair. And we ain't going straight full black. We're gonna try to leave a little texture. So a little opening skin breaks in between because it's dreadlocks. So we don't want it to look flat. And due to the fact that it gets tighter, like stuff like that, so I have less room to like really pull and shade. So that's why I'm turning the machine down to 6.4, 6.5. Alright, y'all. All done, all done. I think I might go back in that 8, hitting the highlights. Alright, y'all, we hit that 8. So now I stand out a little bit more. Call it a day. I don't know, should I hit that white down there in the pants? What you think, man? Just I might have just hit the white right there and the little lace that's in the pants. Alright, y'all, that's it. Slide up a little bit. And this was the first one on that side. That's the first one, the face, and the brother whole body on this side. Alright, y'all, appreciate y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hope this helped you all out. We are all done and we are out of here. See you all in the next video.